The Gold Coast, located on the east coast of Australia, is a popular tourist destination known for its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife and exciting attractions. One of Australia's fastest-growing cities, the Gold Coast offers a unique combination of natural beauty and modern amenities. Whether you're planning a visit or simply want to admire the beauty of this coastal city from the air, viewing drone footage provides an unparalleled bird's-eye view of the place. With over 57 kilometers of unspoiled coastline, the Gold Coast is a beach lover's paradise. Surfers flock to beaches such as Surfers' Paradise and Burley Heads to catch the waves, while couples with children can enjoy swimming and relaxing at family beaches such as Broadbeach and Coolangatta. The town also hosts various events throughout the year that attract locals and tourists alike. From sporting events to music festivals and cultural celebrations, there is always something going on. With its warm year-round climate and plenty of activities to suit all tastes, it's no wonder the Gold Coast has earned a reputation as one of Australia's top tourist destinations.